Welcome to my vlog. I show you something very important. This is the supplement I drink since 2018. I've been a member of this siya. Intra Liquid. They have another they have a Cardiolite and they have capsule, but I like this one, the Intra Liquid. This is high in nutrients, vitamins, minerals. This is made with herbal. This is herbal, organic herbal, and it benefits good to control cholesterol, bad chemical in the body, to boost immune system, ito control all the the food that we eat that is high chemical, and also when every time we eat oily food, they control the cholesterol. This is I'm drinking this since 2018. That's why I signed up for a membership so that I can have discount, because it's expensive also. Bread per piece. And one bottle of this is I use it for 1 month only. And my to heal my migraine headache, dysmenorrhea, sinusitis. Because before, when I did not drink that, every time I have period monthly, I cannot work properly because my head is like it's like so painful, and also my tummy. I have dysmenorrhea, migraine headache, sinusitis, everything. And always this one, my hand always feeling numb and painful every night. You can wake up because of the pain. But when I continue drinking, it's not attacking anymore, especially the migraine and the dysmenorrhea. And this is my food supplements in 20, and I was a member, and I can use it to make a business, but I don't have enough capital to buy, because before you can make this business, you have to, so that you can get the 40% discount, and you can get a free Intra every time you buy 1 box. In 2 months there is one free, and the 1 box is 9 bottle inside the box. And if you want to get the 40% discount, you have to buy 42 bottle of that thing. The amount of the 42 bottle is almost 12,000 dirham. It's like almost 200,000 in piso. But in Philippines, the 42 bottle of that is 70,000, more than 70,000 peso, because it's cheaper this in the Philippines, 1,800 something, 1,850 something, not reaching 2,000, 1,856 I think. But there is tax, 12% tax, and delivery charge. Every time I order this one, minimum 3 bottles so that they can deliver, but there is delivery charge also, additional delivery charge. Now the delivery charge is 30 something, I think 36.50 something like that. Anyway, before, when I'm not drinking that one, it's hard to work if I feel sick and I cannot stand up because every time I move, my head is like, it cut into half, and then I'm always vomiting because of the dysmenorrhea, and I feel dizzy, I feel so sick. But thanks God, because of the intra I drink that's a food supplement, herbal and organic. That's why it's expensive, made from Canada. This is from Canada. The company who made this is from Canada. That's why in the US is more cheaper than here. Here is very expensive because the shipping is very expensive also. Anyway guys, that's all for now. If you feel sick, if there is something you feel pain in your body, it's better to try to drink this one. The other supplement like barley is not for me. This is the only food supplement is in Tagalog inahiyang sa akin kasi all the sickness I feel before when I did not drink this, it gone. But I need to continue drinking. Sometimes I won't be able to order because out of budget, but because of only our strong body is our, so that I can earn money, I need to be stay strong and healthy. That's why even though this is expensive, I need to set budget to buy with this so that I won't get sick, because this is good to control cholesterol, to boost immune system, high nutrients, vitamins and mineral. That's all for now guys. See you next time. Bye.